What up, guys? Welcome back. It is Wednesday, and just checked the stocks on my phone. Off to a good start today, so we're doing pretty well. I just logged into my account, and we're up $850 so far. A lot of these options haven't done anything yet, but Tesla is having a good day so far. Let's see, they should be on the first page here. Yeah, right here they're up $4, so that's really good. GoPro's doing okay today. Nintendo, I can't believe how high Nintendo has gone since we sold it. That's annoying. But TWLO's having a really good day. I haven't seen it above $31 in a long time, which of course I sold the call option for that. So if it hits $33, kind of screwed on that one because I might have to sell the shares. We have just 9 more days for TWLO to stay below 33, and we'll be doing well. Hopefully that happens. Nvidia is up a little bit today too, which is of course not good for our call option, but we need to stay below 105 for that one. And then we have Apple, we need to stay below 147, and that one of course is also up today. So man, not really getting much luck with these covered calls here, like not at all. So hopefully they can go up a little bit, but not hit that strike, because that's what we need. Man. Yeah, we're back above 56, so that was good. Up 1 hour below. I spoke too soon, but we'll check back a little bit later. So my bad luck continued with these covered calls. As you can see, they're back at the bottom of my list. So I am losing money on those if I were to buy those back. TWLO just got upgraded by JP Morgan, so they were up for the day. So I started looking to see how much it would cost for me to buy back the call so I could keep my shares, since we don't want the stock price to hit $33 a share. And as you can see here, the bid price is 70 cents per share, which is $70 for the contract. So I ended up placing a limit order to buy the call back at 60 cents a share or better, so I could hopefully save some money. But if TWLO did continue to go up, I was going to just have to buy it back at whatever the market price was, because I don't want to get rid of my shares. But luckily, it did go back down, and I was able to buy it for 60 cents a share. In fact, as I saw TWLO's price going down, I went back to try to modify the order to lower the limit price, but by then it was too late because the trade had already executed. Since I made $18.35 when I sold the call, I took a loss of $49.30, which wasn't too bad. And actually, there's a strategy called rolling your position where you can just buy back the call and then sell another one and just keep doing that until you make money. I end up doing that in the future, so we'll see that in a future vlog. Here's this chart that I was looking at TWLO. As you can see, had I sold any of these covered calls between February and like April, I would have been sitting pretty, but of course the timing that I have, I'm at the part of the curve where it's going up, so really stressful for me right now. Alright, we're back. It's 3:56 p.m. I just logged into my account, but I haven't looked at it yet, so we're going to look at this together and see how we did. Oh shit. Oh no, what the frick happened? Are you serious right now? Okay, so something just happened and we lost a lot of money since the last time we logged in. What? Okay, so our Tesla call made money. We made money on TWLO because they had a good day. What went down? Amazon, oh my gosh. And Apple. Okay, so it's just Amazon and Apple. That sucks. That really sucks. We were doing so well today. Mother. Okay, well, you know what? It's still Apple and Amazon. Like, I'm still not worried about them. They're two juggernauts in their industries. I did see an article this morning about Walmart trying to step up their competition with them, and I'll see if I can find that article and post it on the left-hand side of the page here. But I think what it was saying was like they're gonna offer discounts if people have items shipped to their store instead of having it shipped to their house, which will make them much more competitive in the pricing. And they were also gonna do free 2-day shipping or something like that. Like basically something really competitive for Amazon. And I think that kind of caused them, but even though Amazon I thought was going up earlier today, so it's weird that they just dropped all of a sudden at the end. And then Apple, I don't really know what's going on with them. I haven't read any articles about them today. Well, because we have so much money, like, so if you look up here, this is how much money I have invested. And since all my Apple things are all together, you can see how much I have invested in Apple total. So about 20 grand in Apple and then 12 in Amazon. So since I am so heavily invested in those two companies, if they both do bad in the same day, we're gonna do bad for sure. And even considering how bad they did, the calls, I still feel like this is not that bad. Like it could have been much worse. So I'm not too worried about that. Like I said, I think in the future we're gonna have a good day where Apple and Amazon have really good days, and that if that's the case, we're gonna have a phenomenal day. So today was just one of those days where Apple and Amazon did poorly. So we're going to take a huge hit there. So basically our portfolio is mostly driven by Apple and Amazon. If they have good days, we'll have good days. If they have bad days, we'll have bad days. Thankfully though, Tesla, which we have a decent chunk of change invested in, did well. So that kind of helped offset our costs, or offset our loss rather. So it could have been much worse. All right, I'm not too concerned with that. It just sucks though, because when I left for tutoring, we were up and this was like at 56,000 and now we're down to 54. So we had like a 2 grand drop. So that's not cool. Hopefully tomorrow will be a better day, because now I think we are officially down for the week. Oh man, that just stinks. What happened with GoPro? GoPro didn't do anything today. Okay, probably because it didn't go up enough to make a, because this expiration date is so far out in advance, January of next year. I don't think GoPro went up enough to make the call option move. So hopefully GoPro can continue to go up, because we can make a good amount of money. We have 25 options for GoPro. If GoPro like goes up to like even halfway to 15, it's at 888 right now. If it went up to like 12, and it goes up to 12 relatively soon, our option will go up tremendously in value. And so I'm really hoping that GoPro can step up their game and they do really well in the future, because that could be very, very profitable for us. But in the meantime, it was just not a good day for us. All right, so yeah, what can I say? That sucked. Expected to have a good day today, came home and we had a bad day. So that happens. Nothing you can do about it, really. Just gotta stay confident in the companies that you own and don't freak out. I'm not worried about Apple. I still think Apple's a solid company. They're going to be doing very good things in the future. Their iPhone 8 should be pretty awesome, crossing fingers. Even if it's not, if it's anything like the last 6 iPhones, their stock will go up. So hopefully, I'm not jinxing by keep talking about that. I hope I don't jinx it. Then I think Amazon will still be okay. So I think we're going to have some good days ahead of us. So yeah, hope you guys had a fantastic day. If you did like this video, hit the like button and subscribe if you haven't already. And of course, share with your friends if they also are interested in stocks and options. Thank you guys so much for tuning in so far and subscribing and watching. It means a lot. As of this date, we're like at 270-ish subscribers, so I'm really happy about that. We're really close to 300, so that's going to be super awesome. I'm excited about that. Hopefully you guys are learning a lot. And please comment below any feedback, honest, positive, or negative. If you want to see me do more vlog style stuff where I go out and film stuff that I do, or if you want me to keep it kind of short and just strictly focus on stocks, let me know. I'm not going to be offended, whatever your opinion is. So please drop a comment and let me know what you think. And I hope you guys have a fantastic day, and we will see you tomorrow.